Are you okay? Are you okay? I got it on video. You're gonna love it.
Oh my God, that was great.
You did a barrel roll.
Like terror tumbling.
You were a skipping stone and you did a barrel roll.
I go with my stomach campaign and I just want to
You did a cartwheel.
That was awesome.
Sawyer, you know those videos of hydro racers?
Yeah.
That was what you looked like.
Oh.
Stop it and save it before your phone overheats and you lose.
It saves it.
That was awesome.
How are you, Aaron?
Huh?
How are you, Aaron?
I'm 15.
You okay?
You're not getting off, are you?
Alan.
You are?
That was